Before we begin, here is my disclaimer. The tutorial I am demonstrating is inspired by the Kitty Couch Green Sofa pattern by Candy Clayton. I have linked the pattern in the description below. However, although the finished product does look similar, the instructions I'm showing you are different. I'm using a different combination of stitches, the construction has been made simpler with limited sewing, and I've added a few personal touches with details. With that being said, let's lay down some ground rules. If you have used my instructions to make your own sofa, you may sell your work on Etsy and other marketplaces. You may film yourself or provide a tutorial of your own on YouTube. But please give me a shout out in the videos and link my channel in the description. You may post your work to social media, and I encourage it. An attribution would be appreciated as I'm trying to grow my channel, but it's not required. You may also copy this pattern down, print it, and share it with friends, etc. But please give me credit. Tessa Smith at Miss Swiss Creations. There's only one thing that I ask that you do not do. Please do not publish this pattern and then sell it. I made this tutorial because I want to help people learn for free. Don't profit off of my generosity. Not cool, man. Not cool. Alright, I think that just about sums it up. I'm going to be including this at the beginning of every video, so if you've watched this once, feel free to skip it through the rest of the videos. this part is just easier to explain with voice. Use the little square you made and line it up with the armrest. Now extend your chain out to the backrest. It should just barely reach. If there's a bit of excess, then you might have some overhang off the front. Now mine looks a bit excessive, but that's because I ended up shipping the couch I've been showing you guys to a customer, so I'm using my original couch as a model, and it's a smidge smaller. But it's always good practice to measure your work as you go, which is why I'm including this in the steps. So moving forward, just realize that if you did only chain 20, the number of stitches will be off by about 6. But not to worry. For the next few rows, just know that the fancy stuff goes at each end. So whether it takes you 32 stitches to get down to the other side or 29, just make it as even as you can. you so much for watching. If you'd like more tips, tricks, and tutorials on crocheting, it would mean the world to me if you liked and subscribed below.